In this video, I will show you how you can enable and set up mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. Under the Connection settings, you will find the option for mobile hotspot and tethering. Just tap on it, and from here, just tap on mobile hotspot. Now on this page, just enable the toggle for mobile hotspot. As you can see, it is saying that to use mobile hotspot, you need to turn off your Wi-Fi. Just tap on turn off and it will turn off your Wi-Fi and your mobile hotspot will be turned on. Now on this page, you will find a few settings so you could set up mobile hotspot on your phone. First of all, just tap on network name. Now over here you will find all the basic hotspot settings. Over here you can change the name of your mobile hotspot. For example, I'll set it to this. After that, in the password section, you can change the password of your mobile hotspot. Just create a new password which must consist of at least 8 characters. Now after that, you can change the band frequency of your mobile hotspot. You can either select 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Now after you've customized your hotspot as you like, then just tap on Save. After that, you will find 2 more settings. For example, you have the option for auto hotspot. Now when this feature is turned on, any other Samsung device which is signed into with the same Samsung account as your phone will be able to connect to your mobile hotspot automatically. Now after that, you have the option for one-time password. Now when you enable this toggle, you will generate a random one-time password for your mobile hotspot. And when you turn off your mobile hotspot and when you turn it back on, this one-time password will be reset. Now this feature is good if you want to share your mobile hotspot with someone only one time. Then finally, you have the option to share your mobile hotspot using the QR code. Now if you tap on the QR code icon, you will see this QR code on the screen, which anyone can scan with their smartphone and they can connect to your mobile hotspot using this QR code. And this is how you can enable and set up mobile hotspot on the Galaxy A37 or the A57. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.